Let's get you some breaking updates. This is from Nagpur. Situation in Maharashtra's Nagpur city, which saw clashes on Monday after protests over Aurangzeb's tomb, is now calm with a heavy police force deployed across the city of Nagpur. A curfew continues in 11 areas across the city, and Nagpur top cop has in fact led a flag march for peace last evening. So those are the details. Police right now conducting probes, scanning CCTV footage. Multiple FIRs have been registered in connection with it. 32 police personnel unfortunately injured, including 3 DCPs. 50 people, more than 50 people have been arrested in connection to the clashes that took place. So those are the details we are picking up as far as Nagpur situation is concerned. Situation calm in most part of Nagpur. Curfew continues in at least about 11 areas which were the most affected. There were at least about 200 to 300 in mob that led to clashes day before yesterday. In fact, 50 people arrested by police, several injured, including civilians. 32 police personnel have been injured, including senior police officials. Flag march led by Nagpur Police Commissioner happened yesterday, and there is of course a call for peace and calm. Yesterday, Chief Minister of Maharashtra Devendra Fadnavis had also addressed the assembly, speaking about strict action as far as perpetrators in this case is concerned. There is a pre-planned conspiracy, something that both the Chief Minister and Deputy Chief Minister of Maharashtra had hinted at. Police at the moment scanning CCTV footage across Nagpur to identify the rioters, what exactly led to the riot, what exactly led to the clash, what kind of messaging was sent, what kind of rumors were spread is something that the police is looking at. Let's go straight across to Paras, who's joining us from Nagpur. Paras, of course, multiple FIRs have been registered. Curfew continues in several police stations. Looks like the situation is calm, but take us through the details of the probe. We believe more than 50 people have been arrested.
Rightly said, in this entire matter, in this entire violation matter, there are total number of 50 person who has been arrested by Nagpur police, and probe is still on in this entire matter. Police are probing this matter into different angles, because it is very necessary and very important to see how this type of stuff occurred on social media. There has been certain round in entire Nagpur and Maharashtra where there was rumors that some of the Granth was burned by some of the persons in Nagpur while protesting of removing the Aurangzeb tomb. But this is very important now that what will come out of this whole investigation, because there are cyber police which is been involved in this entire investigation. They had been told to find out from where this fake thing was originated and was being transferred to all the social media accounts. So there are many social media accounts which has been also been probed by Nagpur police. With that, there are many crime units which are investigating thoroughly in this entire matter. Right now, Radhika, we are at the same point where this entire situation occurred. This was the place from where stone pelting started. If you can see, there are many police officials which are over here, but the entire situation is very calm over here. There are still curfew intact over here, because police is assessing the situation right now. Nagpur police also done a flag march yesterday in a leadership of Nagpur Police Commissioner, but the entire situation which looks very calm over here. There are many things which has to be followed by Nagpur police also. In this entire situation, ATS is also overseeing this entire situation, because in this complicated matters, ATS also come in place, but there are no different investigation by ATS in this entire matter. But this is a process which ATS follow, and also ATS is overseeing the entire situation which has occurred in Nagpur 2 days ago.
All right, thank you, Paras, for getting us those extensive details. Paras there reporting from ground zero where the incident took place. Now, of course, things are calm, but case has been registered. Probe is ongoing.